Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by gathering essentials: your device serial or IMEI, Apple ID, and whether you have Apple Care. Once done, back up your device so repairs won't risk data. Next, choose in-person versus mail-in service based on urgency and travel time, and make sure location services are on to get accurate nearby centers. Now open Apple Support or Settings to start the lookup. This immediate action saves time and delivers tailored options for your exact device and coverage. Once you have the support tool open, search your device and request repair. The system shows Apple stores and authorized service providers based on your location and coverage. Make sure to compare availability and technician certifications so you aren't sent to a basic kiosk for complex repairs. Also check customer ratings and expected turnaround. If parts are needed, confirm estimated wait times. If multiple options look good, prioritize an Apple store for same-day diagnostics or a certified provider for quicker local service. Book the appointment that matches your schedule and make sure you know exactly which documents and proof of purchase the center requires. Before you go, remove any case, disable activation lock by signing out of iCloud, and have receipts or Apple Care info on hand. Once at the center, get a written estimate and expected completion time. If the center can't help or there's a delay, ask to escalate to a manager, request a loaner device, or opt for the official mail-in service to keep moving forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.